Hey beauties, it's Danny, Sigma Beauty's global makeup artist. We are expanding on our Enchanted collection and have launched an Enchanted Brush Set. So I'm going to create this eye look for you today using this set and our Enchanted mini palette. All right, let's get into the tutorial. First things first, I'm going to take care of this complexion. I'm going to buff in my foundation with my F81 Blend Kabuki brush. Next, I'm going to apply some Spectrum color corrector. This is in the shade light to medium. I'm mixing both shades on my E28 diffuse blend. You get right in that inner corner. That's where a lot of the darkness is. Applying a little bit of concealer just on top. This is my F64 Soft Blend Concealer brush. It just buffs it right in. Then I'm going to set my under eyes with my Beam and Glow Illuminating Powder in Fairy Dust. Alright, let's do a little bronzing. I'm going to take my medium matte bronzer in my S78 Ultimate Bronze brush. Get some color back in my face. For blush, I'm going to use the color Berry Love. Since I think I'm going to use some like purple tones on my eyes, I want to do a little bit of a cooler toned blush. I'm just taking this on my big F28 powder brush. And then of course my Twilight highlighter. This has a little bit of a cooler undertone as well, so it will pair very nicely with the look. And just taking this on my F03 highlighter brush. And then just going to fill in the brows a little bit. So our Enchanted palette, this 14 shade palette, launched in, I believe, 2018. And the brush set is kind of just expanded off of that. So then we have a full collection. You have the eyeshadow palette, the brush set, and we just launched the mini palettes. So there's a mini Enchanted palette too. So we have 14 shades in this one here, and 7 shades in this one. So I think I'm going to use the 7 shade palette today and create an eye look with that. So here are the 5 eye brushes that you get in the set. First, let's do a little bit of priming. This is my Persuade eyeshadow base primer. So I'm just going to apply this all over my lids. And I'm just going to blend that in. Of course, you can use your finger. I'm just going to blend this in with our E55 from the set. Okay, so first up, I'm going to take the shade Innocent on my E25 Blending. And let's apply that in the crease area. I'm just going to run over the edges with the E40 Blending, just to make sure everything is diffused and nicely blended. This might seem a little scary. I'm going to take the shade Claystone on my E65. I'm going to do a little bit of a graphic liner right above my crease. And then when I get to the end here, just going to lift out. Trust the process on this, okay? Then take your E30 pencil and just go over that to blend that line out. Then, same angled brush, we're going to take the shade Plume and we're going to apply this right under that line. I'm just gonna blend it into that brown shade. Then we'll take the shade Budding on the E55. This is gonna go on the lid. Then I'm gonna take the shade Metamorphosis on the same brush and apply that right over. It's a very kind of sheer shade. It looks so good applied over a base shadow. All right, then I'm gonna take the shade Claystone again, and we'll do a little bit of a top liner. I'm gonna apply a little bit of Claystone right underneath my lower lashes as well. Back with the pencil brush, I'm gonna take the shade Moonglade, and this is just gonna go right on the lower lash line. I'm gonna do a little tight lining with my Wicked pencil. Deepen up the liner on my upper lash line with our Wicked pen. And then a little bit of Sinuosity Lash Mascara. Okay, so to finish off the look, I'm going to apply our liquid lipstick in the shade Suede. And then a little bit of Passionate lip gloss. The E40 Tapered Blending is also perfect for highlighting, so I'm going to just add a little bit more highlighter. Alright, there you have it. That is my completed Enchanted look. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial today, make sure you hashtag Sigma Beauty if you recreate this look at home, and make sure to check out the new Enchanted brushes now available on sigmabeauty.com. And see you next time. Bye.